Hi, this is Ryan from Foxtecc, and today I'm going to show you how to reduce or essentially delete the control center on your iPhone running iOS 18. Now, I want to start by clarifying that it's not technically possible to completely remove the control center in iOS. However, there are several steps you can take to limit its access and make it far less intrusive. Let's get into it. One of the first things you can do is stop having access to the control center from your lock screen. To do this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Face ID and Passcode, or Touch ID and Passcode, depending on your device. When prompted, enter your passcode to continue. Once you're in, scroll down to the section labeled Allow Access When Locked and find the toggle for Control Center. Switch this off, and from now on, you won't be able to access the Control Center when your phone is locked. Next, if you want to prevent Control Center from appearing while you're using apps, you'll need to go back to Settings and scroll until you find the Control Center section. Inside this section, you'll notice there's only one toggle, which controls whether or not you can access the Control Center within apps. Simply turn that off, and now the Control Center will no longer interrupt you while you're using any app. Another great feature of iOS 18 is that it offers more customization options for the Control Center than ever before. So, if you want to make it even less cluttered and more minimal, you can go ahead and delete as many toggles as possible from the Control Center itself. This way, it's only showing the essentials or maybe nothing at all, depending on your preferences. By taking these steps, you're essentially making the Control Center much less prominent, reducing its access points, and decluttering it so you barely notice it's there. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips from Foxtecc. See you later.